Welcome to the channel where all you gotta do is pull out a pilot bearing with greasy wads of paper. So this is my first attempt at getting it to come out, and obviously it didn't work. This is not a pilot bearing, it's an actual bearing, not a bushing, so it kind of leaked through the seal. So there is a seal on the inside and a seal on the outside, and it looks like it's leaking through both of them. So I gave it another try, see if that would fix it, but didn't really work. So still I'm not going to give up. So came up with a plan to jam some paper towel in there, which I soaked in some motor oil just to make it more fluid. So it's got to kind of go around the corner and stuff, right? It's acting like a hydraulic cylinder. So I just, dunked a rag into some used motor oil that was laying around. I didn't try to hit it really quickly because the paper is not going to flow like the grease, right? So I tried to do a couple of small taps to give it time to go around the corner and kind of fill up all the gaps. The purpose of the paper is to act like a seal, right? It's like a packing seal. So first attempt, it looked like it moved a little bit, which is good. So there's my wad of greasy paper. Jam some more in there. If a little's good. I mean, you can only get so much in there and still get the dowel pin, so, but put a little bit more in there, put the dowel pin back in. It's actually a gauge pin, not a dowel pin, but whatever. Give it a couple tight, light whacks. And you can see it's still coming out a little bit more. So, making progress. More greasy wads of paper to come. Got to do the proper technique here, of course. It's very precise. Third tries a charm. And there you go. One bearing removed and some yucky paper. Thanks for watching. If you like this content and want more, subscribe, like, and share.